Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Saitama V1 to V2 tokens, step by step, dated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your wallet, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and check if you still hold Saitama V1 tokens. These are no longer supported, so you need to migrate to V2. Step 2. Visit the official Saitama token website or use their verified migration DApp link. Warning: always double-check the link to avoid scams. Step 3. Connect your wallet to the site by selecting Connect Wallet and choosing your provider, e.g. MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Step 4. The platform will auto-detect your V1 token balance. Click Migrate or swap to V2. Step 5. Approve the transaction in your wallet. You may need to pay a small gas fee. Step 6. Once confirmed, you'll see the Saitama V2 tokens in your wallet. If not, manually add the new V2 contract address. Step 7. Double-check on Etherscan or your wallet's activity to ensure the swap was successful. That's it. You've successfully migrated to Saitama V2. If this helped, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto how-tos.